Today we are doing tralalero, tralala versus camelo. Okay, we're gonna wait a second for camelo to warm up. And say in the comments who do you think's gonna win. Yeah, you guys. Oh yeah, and always remember to like and subscribe to me and Jerry. The frigo camelo. Frigo, frigo camelo. It's okay. Well, okay. Let's go. Wait. I'm lagging. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. What the? I don't know about that. I think Tralala is gonna win. Yeah, Frigo is getting cooked. Big time. Yeah, looks like Frigo Camel is cooked. Oh, Tralala's coming to Frigo. Tralala's doing that to Frigo. The Tralala. Okay, and it landed. Tralala has won. He said that in the comments. Good job. Yeah.